you're gonna elevate your dinner table.
Okay.
And I'm gonna show you a few easy ways to do that. The first one is starting out with NoSew fabric chargers.
Cool.
So you've seen these things, these are chargers. You know, you can get them at the dollar store. You probably have 1,000,000 of them at your house.
Yeah, this is just plastic.
Yeah.
This is not precious
Not
metal.
fun. So instead
Oh, it's solid gold.
Exactly. Instead of a placemat, this is a fun way to up-level your charger. You actually just get some Mod Podge, one of our favorite DIY materials. Start just painting it up, exactly, just like that. Yeah, there you go, pour it on. There, okay, I like, whoop, and you're splattering on mine now. That's cool, okay. So.
Whatever, man, in a restaurant, you don't have all day.
You're not like plating
coat
the food right now.
With the sauce,
oh my
right?
goodness. Okay, and then of course, just lay your fabric straight on. I start from the edges just to make sure I get the wrinkles out, and then you obviously let this dry before. It's beautiful! Yes. Okay, next up, over here, succulents, still all the rage. Here's a fun way to turn them into napkin rings. So all you're gonna do is take a ribbon, you hot glue it to a little piece
No
of birch
succulents
wood.
were murdered. These are plastic, fake succulents.
Those are, but this is real moss.
All right.
So there you go. And
sorry,
this,
moss.
This is a hot glue pot instead of a hot glue gun. So this is an easier way.
It's like a little hot tub for the moss. It's going to Moss Spa.
Yeah, exactly. So you can just get creative in here, and I like to put a little moss on the edges, and then you'll just add whatever greenery you want to here. And what's nice about this too is this can be reused over and over again. You can customize these. It's really easy to do. You can also choose whatever flowers you want if you don't like succulents for some reason. So look at that, there you go. Beautiful. I'm being a perfectionist over here with mine. Okay, so you get the gist here. All right,
I get the gist, I got it.
You got it, all
Mine
right.
looks good, girl, come on.
I like yours, it's great.
Came out all right.
All right, monogrammed etched glasses. Everyone has stemless wine glasses or stemmed wine glasses. This is a fun thing to do, not only as a place card for your guests, but also a to-go party gift.
They can take it with them.
So you put a little R on here for you and a B for me. These are just any kinds of stickers you want to put on. Tape the edges of where you want to etch.
I get you.
And this is etching glue, so you can actually just go right in here. You're just going to give an even coating onto the glass area. So the tape is obviously protecting it from getting onto the edges. I like to also do like stripes. You can get really creative with this. In the wintertime, I actually do stripes of tape. So I paint like a solid,
it's like a candy cane
and then I fill it with cranberry juice, and so it looks like a candy cane at the end. Okay, but we're gonna up level this with some glitter, so you can glitter on top here. Just sprinkle evenly.
What? Whatever.
Oh my goodness, heavy-handed over there.
Don't judge.
What were you like in preschool?
I think I got removed from preschool, actually.
All right. Anyway.
My mother let the wolves raise me in the woods.
Exactly.
Till about 8 or 9, I think.
After this dries, obviously, you can pull it off. And you see the nice sharp corners that we're getting here. How's yours coming
Stop
along?
it! I can hear you. I'm right here.
I just really wanted to do it right.
All right, well, it would have come out had I let it dry.
Well, let's go over here. As you can see how it might have turned out. Here's your R. Let's pretend you did that. Look how beautiful
that's what it's supposed to look like. Yeah.
All right. Here's our beautiful charger. Here are our DIY
this is very pretty.
napkin
And my niece is getting married this year. She's having showers and all sorts of events. This is very beautiful and very ladylike.
Yes, and that's balloon table runner, I have to point out. This is balloon tape. If you didn't know about
Super
this,
fun.
Yeah, you just blow up a bunch of balloons and then tuck the
Stick
ends
it
in
right
right
to the
here.
tape.
There's your tablescape right there.
I
So
love it,
simple.
Brett.
Yes, that's
So, Teach Me Something New is your brand new podcast.
Yes.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you to Brit for all of her terrific ideas. I'm sorry I'm such a DIY failure. Epic.